guys, it's your girl with Creative Design by Cortesia. Today we are doing a home organizational video, guys. It has been so long since I brought you guys an organizational video. For those of you who have been following me, you know we sold our home, so life has been all over the place. I have been extremely busy, but I have been spending more time with family, and I have a family member who wants to get some kitchen reorganization done, and it's just going to be the smaller cabinets here that you see behind me, guys. She is actually a shorter person, so the space that she has, the cabinets are very, very small, as you can see, and it is really, really hard. Let me make sure you guys can see that. There we go. And it's really, really hard for her to just store everything and have things easily accessible. So I'm going to open up and give you guys a look, and I'm going to take you through the cabinets before and after. I'm going to also show you guys some things that I've done as far as prepping for this and trying to make sure that things fit. And I'm still not sure exactly how it's going to work out, because as you know, all cabinetry spaces are different and you have to try to figure out what's going to work well. I did keep it on a budget, so a lot of things came from the Dollar Tree. So let me just show you guys a clip of the inside of the cabinets. Okay guys, so let me show you some of the products that I got from TJ Maxx and Walmart. I'm going to take you guys along. I went to TJ Maxx. Okay guys, so here are some of the products I have. I went to TJ Maxx and got some products. They have some amazing things at TJ Maxx as well as Walmart. So these came from the Dollar Tree, and I got these to store some of her dry goods because they're smaller and I think they'll work better. I got this little stand to organize all of the canned goods. I got two Lazy Susans, one that's a little higher. If I don't use them all in the cabinet, then we can always use them in the refrigerator. I don't know that these are going to fit because they're stackable, but I thought they were absolutely adorable. Well organized for spices. And then I got these bigger canisters, guys, from Walmart. And I think I'm going to put dry cereal because her grandkids come over and she normally likes to try to keep 2 or 3 cereals. Now, they did have these in all sizes at Walmart, and they have them in sets, and they're very cost efficient and affordable. So guys, check that out. As I prep, what I'm going to do is get ready to use my cabinet liner here and line the cabinets. So as I prep and do that, I'm going to let you all look at a little bit of the product as I walked through TJ Maxx. And then I'm going to jump right in and start purging, pulling everything out of the cabinet. And that will probably be time lapse, so I don't take up too much of your time. And we'll jump right into organizing. So if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, let's get going. Alright guys, so I'm going to jump in, start purging, start lining the cabinets, and I'll see you guys back in just a few minutes. Stay with me guys, enjoy the video, like and subscribe. Okay guys, so I basically gotten everything cleaned out. She wanted to make sure nothing heavy goes in the cabinet over her stove in case she drops something. She doesn't want it to crack her stove top. So I have to be mindful of that as well. So that's another challenge. And then guys, I wanted to show you, I haven't taken these last things down, but this is dangerous because it's heavier cans and she's short. So that's an accident waiting to happen. So I'm going to remove these last few things, guys, and then I'm just going to start pulling out all of the liner, and we're going to do fresh new liner, and we're going to get this organized. So let's get going. Alright, Team Creative, here we go with the final. So here is the final reveal. Now guys, this is still a little bit difficult to manage, but it's the best we could do with the small space. So as you can see, we have grits here, sugar. There is elbow noodles in the back, as well as a container for pasta. All of her creamers are right here, easily accessible. She does have one down lower as well. I did not get anything for the spaghetti noodles, so I have to get something for that. Here are the overflow for the broths that she cooks with, as well as any type of salad dressing, syrups. And then these small containers, if they fall, guys, it will be safe. We don't have to worry about anybody getting a broken foot or anything. So we got fish fry, some half-size spaghetti noodles, all of her seasonings, breadcrumbs and almonds. I think I am still going to move in the back. There are cereals, and her grandkids are normally there on the weekends, but I think I'm gonna make them easily accessible for her to grab. So 2 containers there for cereal. That worked pretty well. I think it looked a whole lot neater than the original. I may get another one of these for tea bags as well, because she does like to make tea sometimes. And then this is the other cabinet. So this cabinet came out much more organized, guys. The canned goods are here. That's her larger canned good in case it falls. She can reach it without it dropping and hurting herself. I used a little tiered shelf that I showed you guys. It has legs under it, but when I elevate it, it goes too high to the ceiling. But it holds actually several, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it did hold several of the seasonings. And she actually has a overflow cabinet, guys. She had a lot of seasonings, so she did have a little small overflow cabinet there as well. And then we have the Lazy Susan that I put all of her oils on. We're gonna get an oil canister for her canola oils and stuff to go on. And once again, I went up higher with the snacks, because she can just easily pull this bin down, sit it on the counter when her grandkids are here. And guys, it has all kind of little snacks in it for her grandchildren. So it's easily accessible. She can put it right back up when the grandkids leave. And I did 2 of those, if you can see. Another with just some little candies, treats, popcorns, just little things that they like as their favorites. And I thought that was cute. So 2 up top. I put some little labels on them. I think these labels came from Target. She can write snacks on them if she wants to, or she can leave them and repurpose them later. But guys, I think it came out really neat. Some salad toppings are here, her bacon bits and salad toppings. So it worked out neat. It's just her, so didn't need a lot, but we did get it much more organized. So I hope this guys gave some of you some tips. This was a really small space to work with, and I was pretty happy with it. So guys, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Drop in the comment section below if you have any ideas for small spaces or any videos you would like to see in the future. Once again, guys, I love you. Thank you for joining me.